Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. A brutal winter storm is unleashing blizzard conditions in central United States. A massive winter storm system has unleashed dangerous blizzard conditions in parts of the central United States, shutting down highways and stranding drivers in frigid temperatures Monday, and it's pummeling parts of the south with the hailstorms, heavy flooding, and tornado threats. The fast-moving storm is making its way east and will cover over 1,800 miles in 72 hours, producing notably snowfall across more than half a dozen states. The system strengthened as it trekked out of the Four Corner regions where it dumped snow, which brought some travel to a halt on Sunday and into the southern plains Monday afternoon. By Monday evening, heavy snow and powerful winds stretched on from Texas Panhandle to Nebraska, where authorities had already responded to dozens of the weather-related incidents on the road and urged residents not to travel because of the dangerous whiteout conditions. In Kansas, one highway patrol trooper warned the blizzard conditions and blowing snow were making it so difficult to see that the authorities were having difficulty with the rescues. Further south, heavy showers and hailstorms were moving through the Mississippi and parts of the Louisiana, while the millions of the people were also at risk of tornadoes. The first tornado watch of 2024 was issued Monday for the parts of Texas and southwest Louisiana. A second tornado watch was issued through Monday night for the southeast Louisiana and coastal Mississippi and covers cities including Baton Rouge and New Orleans. All that comes as more states prepare for the severe weather Tuesday, including the parts of the Northeast where the leaders have warned of potentially dangerous rain and coastal flooding. The threat of flooding, damaging winds, and tornadoes is at a risk level more typical of spring than the second week of January. More than 9 million people were under a level 3 out of 5 severe storm threat Monday from Texas to Florida. More than 11 million people face the same threat level Tuesday from Panhandle of the Florida to the Outer Banks of the North Carolina. The tornado risk will increase Monday night, an incredibly dangerous situation for parts of the Gulf Coast. Tornadoes at the night are twice as deadly as those that occur during the day, mainly because a large portion of the population is asleep and miss the warnings. Meteorologists at the National Weather Service office in the Mobile, Alabama warned of an extremely high impact event for our area that could be one of the more impactful non-tropical systems to hit their forecast area. The same system is forecast to move across the southeast throughout the Tuesday. There is a level 3 out of 5 risk of severe storms for Florida, Savannah, Georgia, Charleston, South Carolina, and Jacksonville, Florida. Tornadoes and damaging winds are also threats with the strongest storms. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.